Okay, now members, let us see how do we find the missing base if we are not given that base. For example, like you see here, we don't know this base. How do we go about that? So to find the missing base, we convert all the numbers to base 10 if they are not to base 10. Now, you see that this one, we don't know the base, but this one, we say any number without the base is to base 10. So meaning this one is already to base 10. So you leave it there. So now what I do, I convert this to base 10. So I'll be having 0, 1. So I'll be having now 2 times the base, then power 1. Then plus 1 times the base, then power 0 equaling to 19. This is already true. Base 10. Remember 19 is the same as 19 is the same there. So this will be now 2 times this will get 2n plus any number to power 1 will be 1 times 1 equaling to 19. So this will be 2n plus 1 equaling to 19. Subtract 1 both sides, you have 2n equal to 19 minus 1. So our 2n becomes 18 divided by 2. So our n is 9. So our n, the missing base, is 9. As simple as that. So now, this one is not base 9. I mean, base 9 is not base 10. So we convert this to base 10 and also this to base 10. So this is 0, 1, 2. 0, 1. So this will be 2 times the base, power 2. Then plus, this is going to give us 0 times anything, it will be 0 times n power 1. Plus now, 2 times the base, then power 0 equaling to 3 times 9 power 1, then plus 7 times 9 power 0. So this would be 2n squared plus 0 plus 2 equals any number to power, times 1. Any number to power 0 is 1, equaling to 27, then plus 7 times 1. So now this will be 2n squared plus 2 equaling to 27 plus 7. This will be now 2n squared. By the way, you can reduce these steps. Anyway, because we are just starting, let me follow all the steps. Let me go through all the steps. So we take this beside, so 2n squared will be 34 minus 2. When this one crosses the cosines, it becomes a negative. So 2n squared will be equaling to 32. Divided by 2 both sides, our n squared becomes 16. So then we get the square root both sides, then the square root this side. So our n is plus or minus 4. But the base can never be a negative. Therefore, our n is 4. Because we cannot work in negative bases. So that's it. But now I come to this. Now these are very easy, but when we come to this, we need the idea of quadratic equations. So this, you see that this one is not base, so meaning this is base 10. So 0, 1, 2. So this will be now 1 times n power 2 plus 4 times n power 1 plus 1 times n power 0 equaling to 61. This is already base 10, so don't waste time. Because 61 is the same as 61 base 10. So this is n squared plus 4n plus n number to power, n power 0 is 1. So 1 times this I have 1 equaling to 61. Now we bring everything this side, n squared plus 4n plus 1 minus 61 equaling to 0. So then you simplify, you have n squared plus 4n, then minus 60 equaling to 0. There we are going to see, we are going to use quadratic equations either. So you can either use a bulldozer, or you can use factorization, you can complete squares, but factorization works better. Two numbers I multiply, I get 60. When I add, I get 4. What are those numbers? So you can look out for the factors in 60, or you can use and see the values that we are going to be getting there. So we have, the numbers that we multiply, you get 60. So we come to the factors of 60. Factors of 60, we have 1, we have 2, we have 5, we have 3, and so on. Then we have 6, we also have 10. So the pair of 10 and the pair of this are going to work for me. So we have n squared plus, now the biggest has to be positive. So 10n minus 6n minus 60 equal to 0. So when you simplify, you factorize out minus 6 equal to 0. So when I factorize out n here, I have n. From when I remove this n, I made the 10. When I remove negative 6, I have this. There, when you multiply back, this time this will get negative, get positive. So this and this is common. When you factor it out, you have n minus 6 equal to 0. Either my n is negative 10 or my n is a 6. But the same n can't be negative in the bases. Therefore, our n is 6. As simple as that. So that's how we handle by this one. Depends on the class. If you are in the below senior 2, then quadratic equations, you are going to see how to solve them in the upper lessons there. For now, this is how we solve it, but remember this is also for senior 3s, 2s, and 4s. Anyway, for you, this is your part in senior 1 and 2. Then 3, 4, you can handle it this way. That's it. I wish you well.